Hi, I'm Mia, and I'm 6 years old. Every morning I brush my teeth to keep them super clean and shiny. But today is different. Today I'm going to the dentist for the very first time. I feel a little nervous in my tummy. What if it hurts? Mom holds my hand and says the dentist is really nice and helps keep my teeth healthy. When we get there, wow! The dentist office is so colorful. There are toys and fish tanks and books.
Hi Mia, I'm so excited to meet you and see your amazing teeth. This is my special tooth detective tool.
Then there's a little water squirter that rinses my mouth. The dentist chair is so cool, it goes up and down. Dr. Sam even lets me push the buttons.
Okay Mia, can you open wide like a lion? Roar!
I take a deep breath, and I open my mouth. And you know what? It doesn't hurt at all. The tiny mirror tickles just a little bit, and that's it.
1, 2, 3.
I feel so proud. I was brave, and I did it. Dr. Sam gives me a sticker that says, "Brave Smile," and a new toothbrush. Now I know the dentist isn't scary at all. Dr. Sam is like a superhero for my smile. And guess what? I get to come back in 6 months to make sure my teeth stay super healthy. So if you're going to the dentist for the first time, you don't have to worry. Remember, the dentist is your smile's best friend and superhero helper.